I came to UNC Charlotte, I knew that I wanted to study civil engineering. You start taking classes in the systems that you'll actually be designing when you get out of school. So I've started taking classes in the design of steel and concrete structures as well as foundations. If you really enjoy math or science and you love working with your hands, engineering is for you. And UNC Charlotte is the place to do it.
A lot of the faculty members worked in the field.
0.08 amps times the resistor's value.
They come to us and share their knowledge and teach us how to use it in the real world. My dad is an engineer and he really influenced me to start in the engineering program because I want to follow in his footsteps. It's hard, but I know it will all be worth it.
The education at UNC Charlotte is very project-based, and that's beneficial because the projects that are required of us are hands-on and applicable to real-world situations that you will run into on a day-to-day basis. They're not so much theoretical as something that you're more than likely going to see later on in your career. The freshman learning community is a dorm of only engineering freshmen. The thing I like about living in the freshman learning community is that everybody essentially is doing the same thing at the same time. You've all got tests on the same week, everybody's doing the same kind of homework. If you have a problem, there's somebody right down the hall who's got an answer for you. I'm definitely happy with my decision to come to UNC Charlotte.
I would say to anybody who's looking to study engineering that Charlotte has a great program, and I have enjoyed all 4 years of my education here, and I would recommend it to anybody. I've worked on many projects, very diverse range of projects, and it's challenged me to think critically and apply my skills that I've learned in the classroom in a real hands-on way. We had to design, build, and test a car that could essentially transport a mock fuel rod through a design course. It was a lot of fun, and I learned a lot. Professors here at Charlotte are great. They'll meet you anytime, anywhere, and help you if you don't understand anything. And they go out of their way to make time for you, and it makes me feel appreciated. My expectations were to have a well-rounded education and be prepared to enter the workforce, and I feel that UNC Charlotte has exceeded those expectations.
I love the small class sizes because they give me more interaction with the professor, which is always great when you're trying to learn a difficult subject. There's always someone that can help you in a subject that you're struggling with. UNC Charlotte was definitely the right choice for me.
The projects are really cool. I know I made the right decision coming here because of the facilities, because of the professors, because of the people that I've met. It makes me enjoy coming to school. The coursework is hard, but I know it's preparing me as an engineer for a career that's so exciting that I cannot wait to get there.
I came to UNC Charlotte in the College of Engineering for the fire safety program because I come from a family of firefighters and I want to carry on that tradition. And I'll be the first one in my family with a degree in fire safety engineering technology. We learn about all aspects of fire and use that technology to make buildings safer. The professors in the College of Engineering as well as the faculty and staff are here to enable you to be able to make good grades and succeed. In 5 years I see myself being very successful in the fire service. And I really love this program.
The faculty here is really helpful. If I ever have any questions, then I can email them. They usually reply right away, or I can go in and see them during office hours. So basically, they're more than a teacher, they're like friends here. If you want to be a part of an amazing engineering program, amazing campus, really great faculty, and just meet a lot of great people, then UNC Charlotte is definitely the right place to be.
We do compression testing with concrete to make sure the material that you're using will be able to hold the design load that you've calculated for, so the building won't come crashing down. In the 4 years I've been here, I've met all the professors in my department. We work one-on-one together. Due to the small class sizes, it's a lot easier, and because of that, it's helped me decide to stay here for graduate school. After my 4 years here, I definitely feel that I'm ready for the job market. I've learned everything necessary to go out there and become a civil engineer, so I feel the program has helped me get ready for that.
Over the last 4 years in the School of Engineering here at Charlotte, I've met a great group of guys and girls who all pursue the same engineering degree with me, and I'll be friends with them for life. All of my professors at the university have been great. I've had a lot of one-on-one time with them. They all know me by name, and I know all of them by name, and they've really helped me with all my classes and studies. The hard work and dedication for an engineering degree is very challenging, but it's worth every moment and second that you've put into it. If you're looking for a great engineering education, come to UNC Charlotte. Engineering is the hardest thing you'll ever love.